Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add negative keywords in Google Ads in 2026.
If you want to add negative keywords in Google Ads in 2026, here's how to do it. Negative keywords help stop your ads from showing on searches you don't want. This saves money and improves your targeting. So first, open Google Ads and select the campaign or ad group you want to edit. From the left menu, click Keywords, then go to the Negative Keywords section. Now, click the plus button to add new negative keywords. Type words or phrases that are not related to your offer. For example, if you sell premium products, you might add words like free, cheap, or jobs. So your ads don't show for those searches. You can add them as broad match, phrase match, or exact match depending on how strict you want the filtering to be. After adding your keywords, click Save and Google will start filtering out those unwanted searches. A good habit is checking your search terms report regularly to find irrelevant searches and keep adding more negative keywords over time.